volcano named Confetti. He wasn't fierce, he wasn't loud, just puffed soft clouds like a cottony shroud. But one fine day, with a sniff and a wheeze, he gave out a giant confetti sneeze. Out flew ribbons, sparkles and stars.